Hi everybody and welcome back to Coblentz Builders, where we take your dreams and turn them into reality. In today's video, we're back in Geneva, Pennsylvania, where we're planning on getting the trusses on and hoping to get the metal on the roof. Come check it out. Our delivery guy is here from Eastern States Metal Sales, and they are dropping off our trusses. We're not able to bring the trusses in with the skid loader, so we have to bring them in by hand. There's a lot of stuff inside this garage, so first we have to take the one end of the truss and stick it up onto the loft. Our foreman Val is just muscling this one up all by himself. After getting the trusses up in the proper place where they need to be, we can use the skid loader to hold them until we get all the bracing on. Our first truss sits right on the top plate. We're using nailing blocks nailed right on the top of our wall, and we're using 3-inch nails to fasten the truss to the nailing block. To keep our trusses spaced evenly, we have our nailing blocks spaced 4 foot on center on our wall, and we have our 2x4 purlins pre-marked at 4 foot on center. After installing all the trusses, it's time to put our roof purlins on. We put our roof purlins every 2 foot on center all the way up the truss. To get our 12-inch overhang, we cut our 2x4s at 10.5 inches, and then we add our 1.5 2x6 for our fascia board. We use 3-inch framing nails and nail the header right to the purlins on the roof. Before installing our metal, we use Typar moisture barrier on the roof and staple it down. In the winter time, the metal can get really slippery, so we like to install our gable trim right away before it gets too wet. So we got one side on, we just have to repeat the same process to do the other side. After we have their metal on both sides of our roof, it's time to put on our ridge cap and our snow bar. So that'll wrap up today's video. If you liked it, please hit the like and subscribe button and come check us out on the next video where we plan on getting some side metal on. If you're interested in Coblentz Builders helping you build your next dream project, and you live in the Western Pennsylvania or Eastern Ohio area, call me, Robert, at 814-572-5241, and I'll be happy to talk to you.